It's boring in this house, and all I wanna do is sleep. But it's cold outside, and it's only 12 in the morning. All I wanna do is skate, but I can't 'cause it's 12 something. And all I wanna do, don't do bad stuff. It's horrible for you. Just skate and be good. You always stay good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is what you do when you're bored. In your room, sitting in a room, thinking about leaving my house, but I can't 'cause I'm not dressed, and I need to go take a bath. Psych, I'm probably not going to, just because I don't want to take a bath. But if I wanted to take a bath, I would take a bath. I need to take a bath 'cause I'm musty, very musty. I have 3 dogs, one's named Bobo, one's named Serge, but he's not really a puppy. One's named Annabelle, and she has a belly button. Who knew dogs could get belly buttons? That hurt my hand, and I'm still bored out of my mind. And I want to go do something, but I can't because I'm bored all the time.